Good morning and thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, August 29th. We saw a very hot and humid day across the region yesterday, and today looks to be like a carbon copy of yesterday with another day of very high temperatures and high heat index values. Taking a look at our conditions across the region from yesterday, we did see most locations saw those temperatures rise into the mid 90s. Here at Wallops, we got to 93. The cool spot in the region was Ocean City with 89. We did see muggy, unseasonably warm lows as well this morning across much of the region. Pax River was only able to get down to 81 degrees. Here at Wallops, we're at 78. And then the cooler spots still only down into the mid 70s. As of 9 a.m., we were seeing temperatures already rises into the lower to mid 80s again across the region. We are seeing some less upper level cloud cover this morning, so we are seeing sunny skies across most locations. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we were seeing those lower level winds just be a little bit stronger just above the surface. At 1,000 feet, winds were westerly at 26 knots, then weakening to down to just 5 to 10 knots above the 6,000 foot level from the west or west-southwest, running around 10 to 15 knots between 16 and 20,000 feet, and very calm at the 25,000 foot level this morning due to that upper ridge still being in control. We're seeing a very high freezing level this morning, just above 16,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, you can still see high pressure in control across the mid-Atlantic region this morning. See that Bermuda high has expanded a little bit compared to the surface analysis yesterday morning, and that will continue to expand as we go throughout the day today, continuing to give us that southwesterly flow, ushering in that warm and very humid air mass across the region. So not going to be seeing much change in the surface pattern here as we go throughout the rest of the today and most of tomorrow. So taking a look at our forecast chart, still going to be seeing that high pressure in control throughout this afternoon and into this evening, as well as southwesterly winds persisting, that very warm and humid air mass staying in place. As you can see across just southeast of the Great Lakes there, we are seeing that front slowly approach the mid-Atlantic region. And as we go into tomorrow, that's going to still be slowly approaching the region. It is going to be fairly weak, though, but it is going to act to help to compress the atmosphere, making sure those winds stay more west-southwesterly tomorrow. So we are actually anticipating tomorrow could be the warmest day of the week with those continued high humidity values. We could see, we will likely be seeing those heat index values exceed 110 degrees tomorrow, with that front approaching with that continued southwesterly flow and very humid air mass across the region. As we go into Thursday night, that front's going to continue to slowly make its way closer to our area. We are going to be seeing an uptick in cloudiness Thursday night, and we are going to be seeing a chance of some isolated showers and storms, mainly after midnight and mainly north of the Wallops region. We are going to be seeing about a 20% chance of an isolated shower or storm coming down here, but the best chances are going to be north of the region, closer to Salisbury and maybe even just north of there as well. And then as we go into Friday morning, we'll see a little bit better chance of some isolated showers and storms closer to the Wallops region. And then throughout Friday, with that front in the vicinity, it does look like it's going to stall out somewhere near the central portions of the Delmarva. Still a little bit unclear exactly where that front will stall out, but it is going to be in the vicinity throughout much of the day Friday, providing the focus for chances of pop-up showers and storms pretty much the entire day, with slightly cooler temperatures down into the mid-80s for our Friday. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing those heat index values, like I said, get close to 110 degrees, likely between about 105 to up to 110 as we go towards late morning hours and early this afternoon. We are under a heat advisory until 7 p.m. Our record high for today is 94. We are forecasting 93, so we do have a chance of at least tying that record as we go this afternoon. Winds are going to be 9 to 14 knots from the southwest this afternoon and to early this evening, weakening to 5 to 10 knots overnight and then becoming west-southwesterly at 5 to 10 knots by mid-morning Thursday, looking for a very muggy low tomorrow morning of 78 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are seeing sunny skies out there this morning. Could be seeing just a very isolated cloud near 5,000 feet and some isolated cirrus moving to the area at times today, but otherwise seeing mostly sunny skies. And then tonight is going to be seeing a few clouds between 3,000 and 5,000 feet, and then some cirrus moving in throughout the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. So very similar cloud sky cover that we have been seeing the past day or two. For tomorrow, we're going to be seeing a high of 94. Continued humid conditions with those very high heat index values. Could be seeing another chance for some record heat. Thursday night, going to be seeing that front moving to the area like I had mentioned before. The low is going to get down to 75, so slightly better than what we have been seeing, but still pretty warm and muggy. We are going to be seeing a chance of an isolated shower and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm after midnight Thursday night as that front approaches, but like I said, the best chances are going to be north of the Wallops region. And then Friday, with that front stalled out across the area, we're going to be seeing those high temperatures knocked down quite a bit with a high of 85, which is much more seasonable for this time of year. We are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies, and we are going to be having chances for isolated to scattered pop-up showers and storms throughout much of the day. We could also be seeing a chance of some low cloudiness here along the immediate coast as we get some onshore flow developing. It really depends on exactly where that stationary front's going to set up on how strong that onshore flow could be. Taking a look at our extended forecast here, today and tomorrow are going to be the warmest days in the 7-day outlook, and we are going to be seeing that front move to the area on Friday, giving us those chances of showers and storms, and then it looks like it's going to just kind of camp out through the weekend. It is going to be slowly washing out and weakening though, so another chance for some scattered pop-up showers and storms on Saturday with a high of 83. And then on Sunday, the weather models diverge a bit, so some models are indicating that we'll continue to see an onshore flow with some cooler temperatures and more dry conditions. So we could be seeing, we're forecasting right now a high of 86, but we could be seeing those temperatures a little bit cooler than that if that onshore flow persists. Depends on exactly how those winds turn, as that front is going to pretty much wash out. And as we go into early next week, those winds should be shifting more southerly, drying us out as we get a little bit of a weak upper level ridge building across the area with more seasonable temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Sunday and Monday, still a chance of an isolated pop-up shower across the region. Those chances look pretty low at this time, with our best chances of rain being on Friday and Saturday, only seeing about a 15% chance of an isolated pop-up shower on Sunday and Monday, and then we're going to dry out real nicely for Tuesday. That'll do it for your daily Wallops weather brief. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.